iNEO and I arranged to take a tour of Putrajaya, which is a relatively new area of Kuala Lumpur. Putrajaya is the official administrative center of Malaysia. Putra means son, and Jaya means success or victory. Thus, Putrajaya means victorious men or people. The name was given in 1994. The Putrajaya area measures approximately 49 square kilometers, 19 square miles, and has many architecturally interesting buildings. Our tour began with a visit to the Seri Wawasan Bridge, a bridge across the central man-made lake. It is a graceful, futuristic, cable-stayed bridge which is suspended from a single tower that has a sailing ship appearance. It is lit with color-changing LED lights at night. After taking some pictures, we moved on to the large central plaza in front of the Perdana Putra, the Prime Minister's office, which was undergoing renovations. We went to the Putrajaya International Convention Center, located on a hill, to admire the view. Next, we took the boat cruise around the central artificial lake. Where we had great views of many interesting buildings from the top deck. Including the Pink Mosque, unique views of the Seri Wawasan Suspension Bridge, the Millennium Monument, the Tukanu Mazun Zani Aduban Mosque, the Islamic complex of Putrajaya, After the boat ride, we went to take a look at the Prime Minister's official residence. And then we went to the Putra Mosque or Pink Mosque for a tour. This mosque earned its nickname due to its construction with rose-tinted granite, giving the dome a striking appearance. The mosque began construction in 1997 and was finished in 1999. As we had not dressed appropriately, we went to the visitor center and were provided with robes to wear. The pink color scheme continued inside the mosque. With the blue glass windows around the dome providing a nice color contrast. After the mosque, we found a quiet spot near the water beside the mosque to fly the drone. iNEO had bought me a DJI Mini 3 Pro drone kit, and this was my first opportunity to fly my new drone. iNEO launched the drone and placed it at a safe height and distance over the lake. Then I took over and had my first opportunity to fly. So please excuse any sudden or jerky moves in this footage from an inexperienced pilot. After a fun day at Putrajaya, we went downtown to KLCC to have supper, where a newly minted drone pilot, me, did some flying to capture aerial images of the Twin Towers.